Shock the bowl with a bucket of water to force most of the water out and prevent leaks when you remove the toilet. First, shut off the water supply at the shutoff valve and flush the toilet to drain as much water as possible from the tank and bowl. After flushing, hold the flapper down or stuff a rag into the flush hole to prevent additional water from siphoning back into the bowl. Pour a single 5-gallon bucket of water into the bowl quickly so the rapid inflow forces air down the trap and pushes most of the bowl water out into the drain, creating a partial vacuum that helps clear standing water. Use a wet-dry vacuum to extract any remaining water from the bowl and then from the tank through the tank access, or by removing the tank lid and vacuuming around the interior. If you do not have a wet-dry vacuum, use absorbent towels to soak up residual water, wring them out into another bucket, and repeat until the surfaces are dry. After the tank is drained, disconnect the supply line at the shutoff valve or at the tank fitting and use a small container to catch the last drop so you do not spill onto the floor. Wear nitrile or latex gloves, keep towels and paper towels handy for small leaks, and set a plastic tarp under the base to protect the subfloor while you remove the mounting bolts and lift the fixture. Common mistakes include failing to shut off the water supply first, which causes continuous refilling and mess, so always confirm the valve is closed and test by trying to flush after shutting it off. People often neglect the trap when draining the bowl, which leaves pooled water that spills when you lift the toilet. So use the bucket shock method and then vacuum or towel out the trap area thoroughly. A third common issue is not disconnecting the supply line and catching residual water, which leads to floor damage. So loosen the line connection slowly over a small catch container and plug the supply fitting with a towel once detached to stop drips. On bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors for bathroom and toilet work and provide project guides that explain step-by-step methods like proper drainage before removal. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and help contractors find customers and homeowners find help.